Local pump prices are set for another massive hike this week, the 9th straight week with the worsening global tensions. As of Monday last week, the net cumulative increase in domestic fuel prices so far this year has reached 10 pesos 0.85 centavos a liter for diesel, 8 pesos 0.75 for gasoline, and 9 pesos 0.55 centavos for kerosene. Secret John Agor, a BPO employee, said he has decided to stop bringing his car and use his electric scooter instead when traveling to their office at Cebu Business Park from their house in Labangon to save on gasoline.
Kanotice ako sa trend na nagsaka na siya. So we went from like 40-something, nisaka to 50. It kept rising. So I thought na with the prices nowadays, I think it's better to get an electric vehicle. So a friend of mine introduced me to electric scooters. So nikuha kong isa. I tried his, and then after I fell in love with riding it, I kept riding this one na. So nipalit ako ko.
The bigger burden, though, has been on the public utility drivers who have been calling for an increase in the minimum fare to compensate with the non-stop oil price hike. The fare for traditional PUJs remains at 9 pesos and 1 pesos and 50 centavos for the succeeding kilometers. Aircon PUJs remains at 11 pesos and 1 pesos and 80 centavos for the succeeding kilometers. PUJ driver 𝗵𝗆𝗀 says he barely brings home money to his family every day because of the current situation. He hopes that the minimum fare could be increased even by just 1 peso.
Bisag plat lang minimum 10 pesos ang minimum. Kaya pag ikaw kay 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗺, may ng piso, puno-puno gamay sa increase ko do. Pindi na ang claim sa short. Di ka bang napoy igoon magdaan siya 600, 700. Depende sa sitwasyon sakay.
According to the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, or LTFRB7, they're currently looking into the possibility of increasing the minimum fare, but for now, the current rates still apply.
Ning abot nini ang kuan karon kining pagtaas pud sa fuel, so overwhelming nga petition nga patasaan tungod sa atong fuel increases. So kinahanglan na og istudyuhan gyud kayo na win-win solution nga babalanse ginato kay dili man lang ang atong giatubang ang kining sa transport sector, ang primary nato nga mga stakeholders ana, operators ug drivers ug ang commuters. So ang commuter side ato po gitanaw.
He explained that they are aiming for a win-win solution between the drivers and commuters.
Ang atong ikapasalig ana ang atong buhatan ato yung istudyuhan og para mabalanse, dili man na mahimugod nga okay lang ang sa transport sector, ang mga jeepney or ang mga drivers, operators na ay kapasahan sa ilang pag-increase kaning mga pasahero. Ang pasahero karon ato pong hunahunahon nga asa man nila ipasa nga kinahanglan pa man na magpa-increase na pud sila og sweldo. So ingon na nahitabo dili man nato ni kalikayan kay duha man ka factors nini ang atong giatubang karon.
He also clarified that until an increase in the minimum fare has been officially approved, drivers should strictly follow the current rates to avoid any sanctions.
Yes, naagi na sanction ko kung dunay nag-charge og ingon na pwede mo paabot nila diri sa amo kaya ron mapatawag na mo magpadala man din make sure cost order sa lahat. Doon na nay penalty, overcharging, then mga overloading, pareho na sila nga ang atong minimum na is 5,000 pesos.
This has been Sheriza Uy from 𝗵𝗶𝗆 Cebu.